Velas for the pancit, I think. And Tita Saida Yadaw, all the way from Dallas, Texas, in the US for giving me a little dollar. Okay, thank you so much. And of course, the Public Chamber of Commerce, to the President, Mr. Randy Beluna, to everybody, thank you so much. And of course, to Madam Bambi Rivera, the wife of my boss, and of course, to the Celestial Cable TV, thank you so much. To Alvin, to Bal, to Alvin, to Paki, to Bal, everybody. And of course, Ate Nelia, andyan for giving me the food. Ang aking mga angels, of course, si Gladys, si Janet, thank you. At syempre si Arlene and Eliza dito ho sa Kids Zone. And of course, to my sister who came all the way from Manila, and to Lucena and my nephew, thank you so much. Again, nandito pa rin ho si Sheila, one of my best friend. And of course, Tita Mayay. And of course, the husband of Elaine, Lai, tama ba ako? Leia. And of course, the secretary of Effie, and of course, a friend of mine, Bessie Latosa. Tita Sylvia, Tita Rose is still with us, enjoying the live coverage. Tita Dan, and who else, please? Raymond and Luigi for assisting us in getting the names of the guests. Okay, and thank you, Chris, for making me fabulous this evening. And of course, most especially to my big boss, Boss Raul Rivera. Thank you for coming in here, and thank you for believing in my talent and in my ideas, in my concept, and for everything, okay? Aldrin, thank you to be making our way to me sometimes. And to Lynn, thank you so much, Jan. Rika, thank you so much. Carlene, thank you to, and to Aina, the wife of Aldrin, thank you so much. Again, so again, I think it's end of the line, end of the road. Remember, oh, I forget, Father Noda is still over there. Again, so it's end of the line, end of the road. Remember, you can catch me again next time. Same Celestial Cable TV. Remember, this is Chun as a Senate together with Sir Chris Gamo, and of course with Sir June, and the rest of the people who stay with us until this evening. Thank you for watching, and remember, God will always provide us. Thank you, and God bless you all. Bye!